In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Metapro wallet and web3 login into Metapro Market. To be able to connect your wallet, you're going to have to click the connect icon on the top right. And after that, as you can see, we have three wallets that we can connect to. Metapro wallet, which is our wallet, MetaMask wallet, and any wallet connect. I'm going to be using Metapro. So as you can see, now I have to open the Metapro wallet mobile app and tap on the top right a chain icon to scan the QR code. So I'm going to do that. Now I have to click connect, enter my passcode, click web3 login, click sign, and as you can see, I am now logged in.